Wow, welcome to my brand new video. Wow, guys, look at this brand new gun toy animal. Let's review. Wow, guys, look at this. Wow, it's a Hulk, very powerful Hulk. Hulk man. Wow, so nice, guys. Look at this. Wow, very nice backside, guys, very powerful. Wow, Hulk, guys. Wow, so nice. Wow. Guys, look at this brand new Indian oil tanker. Wow, yellow color. Very nice, guys. Wow, so nice, guys. Very fast and brand new, guys. Yellow color oil tanker. Guys, look at this Swift. These are brand new, very cool vehicles, guys. Look at this. Wow, Bleno. Wow, Bleno. Very nice, guys. And guys, look at this gun. Wow, very hardy and orange and blue color gun. Let's shutter. Wow, so nice, guys. It's a toy gun. Wow, very hardy. Wow, check the description and buy link and get it. Wow, guys, check the description for buy link, guys. Look at this gun, guys. Wow, it's a magic gun, guys. Wow, so nice, guys. Wow, wow, look at this, guys. Wow, so nice, guys. Wow, very nice. Wow, guys, very nice, very colorful. Wow, guys. And guys, look at this, guys. Wow, guys, it's a beauty toy, guys. Hair heater, pink color. And guys, it's an animal duck. Very nice, very cute. And guys, look at this brand new school bus. Wow, very nice, guys. Dekho. Wow, so nice, guys. Very nice school bus, guys. Wow. And guys, last one. Wow, big gun, guys. Wow, so nice, big gun. Wow, guys. Wow, wow, it's a scope, 8 scope. देखो guys, 8x scope. Wow, 8x zoom. Wow, guys, very nice. And it, it's bullet, guys. Look at this bullet. Wow, guys. Wow, very nice gun, guys. And shutter this, guys, and fire the school bus. Wow, so nice, guys. Wow, guys,